Coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Port Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine out 25 nautical miles. Waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts from 25 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Port Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine from 25 to 40 nautical miles until 7:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles southeast of Cape Elizabeth to 9 nautical miles northwest of Jeffreys Ledge buoy 44098, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.